स्टार्ट करूँ? Okay. Good morning, dear student. Again, we'll start geometry chapter number 3, circle. It is very important when you will go for higher study. This circle will come again and again. So first we will start with that formula based 9 problem, 9 diagram. That is inscribed angle, whose mic is on. Inscribe angle on the circle. Inscribe angle outside the circle. Inscribe angle inside the circle. So I'll give the name I will give all the name as ABC. 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 Here also ABC. Rest of DE. So by inscribe angle on a circle, you will get only one arc inscribed. Inscribe angle outside the circle, you will get two inscribed. Inscribe angle inside the circle, again you will get two arc. So APC, this is also APC, here Q, P and C. So formula, measure angle ABC is equal to, measure angle ABC is equal to, measure angle ABC is equal to, this is half of major arc APC, this is half of major arc APC minus major arc EQD. This is half of major arc APC plus major arc DQE. When angle forms on a circle, it is half of the arc. When angle forms outside the circle, so bigger arc minus smaller arc, whatever the difference, half of that. When angle inscribed inside, that is sum of two arc and half. Now these are the three formula based on angle. Now three formula on the base of side segment. Again I draw three diagram. When two lines intersect inside, when two lines intersect outside, and when one is tangent, one is secant. So I am giving all intersection is point O. We have to take the formula. So this line is AB line, this is CD line, This is again AB line. This is CD line. This is AB line. This is OC line. Now our formula, what you have to check, every segment you have to write from intersection point. Point O, product of two segments of same line, means OA into OB, OA into OB, OC into OD, from intersection point, OA into OB, O should come in all four segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, OC, OD. Here also, OA into OB. Now what I told, from the intersection on a same line, two segments, but here it is only one. So OC, OC, OC square. Correct. So OA into OB, OC into OD, OA into OB, OC into OD, OA into OB, OC into OC. So OC square. Now three more formula that is also same exactly on inscribed angle. Inscribed angle inside there are also three different shapes. First, with secant, with tangent and one secant. Now secant is exactly passing from center, means 90 degree, right angle. Now less than 90, exactly 90, less than 90, more than 90. So again I am writing the name of angle is ABC. 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 Now it is inscribed by this arc, so APC. This is inscribed by this arc, APC. This is inscribed by arc APC. So whether it is right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, you have to write major angle ABC, half major arc APB. Half of this is this angle. Now I want this, by this angle, this much is inscribed. So major angle ABC again, half major arc APC, APB, sorry. Now major angle ABC again, right angle acute obtuse, again by obtuse, major arc APB. Suppose you want this ABD, so that is half of ABD, this arc is inscribed, so AQB. So AQB. Like that. So this 9 points in this chapter are very, very, very important. So you just concentrate. These three are on the base of angle. These three are on the base of segment. These three are tangent secant, but that is on the base of inscribed angle. So by angle, which arc is inscribed, that angle is half of that arc. Simple calculation, suppose if we want to take this all 9 formulas, we will take by example. Suppose it is 100. So half of 100, it is 50. Reversible. Suppose this is 25. So 25, half of x. So double. So when arc is given 100, angle is 50. When angle is given 25, double, arc is 50. Same. Suppose this is given 100, this is given 60. Find this. So half 100 minus 60. Half 40. This is 20. So suppose this is given, this not given, and this is given. So 60, 20 is equal to half 100 minus x, then cross product. Here suppose it is given 80, it is given 60. So as per the formula, half 60 plus 80. So it is now segment wise. Suppose it is given 3 and it is given 8. Now this is given 6 and find out this. So as per our formula, 3 into 8 is equal to 6 into x. So 3 into 8 divided by 6 is equal to x. 3 2 is 2, 4 is. So x is equal to 4. Now see this carefully. This much is given 4. This much is given 8. This much is given 12. This much is given, suppose 5. Find this. So what is OA4? This much is 8. So the total is 12. 5. Full we will get OD. 48 divided by 5 OD. Any number divide by 5 means make that number double. 48 double 96. Take a point. Any number divide by 5, make that number double and half. Point 1 cut from back side. Any number divided by 5, make it double and cut 1 decimal. OD. This much is 9.6. Among that 5 gone. So 4.6 is what? CD. And now this we want. This is 5. This is 15. So OA is only 5. OB is 5 plus 15, correct? So this is 5 into 20. This is 100. If they will give separate, but we want OB that is total 5 plus 15, 20. 25 is 100. 100 square root is 10. Segment always positive. This is 90. This is 90 and arc is 180. So half of 180, it is 90. So we have taken 90 degree. When one tangent is there and from a common point, if you will join with the center, always it is 90 degree. That is known as tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Again, tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Now it is arc is less than semicircle. Arc is less than 180. Arc is, suppose it is 100. So half of 100. This is 50 degrees. This is 50 degrees. Your ABC. And now this is more than 180. Suppose 220. So this 220 divided by 2. This is 110. This angle is more than 90. And suppose this is 110, so automatically this is 70 because it is supplementary. It is 110 and total is 180. 180 minus 110, 70. Similarly, full circle is 360 minus 220. It is 140. So this is 140. Half of 140 is again 70. So first I have explained 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 formula. Then very simple number by substituting how to use this formula in the exam. And I am giving you very important point that in the exam, in SSC board exam, among 3 sets, they will ask one small questions, maybe of 1 mark or 2 marks. So this topic is scoring, very important. For reasoning also it is very important. Very easily you can write the reason. For proof also, this type of the formula you can write. From that ratio you can write whatever you want to prove. Suppose you want to prove this. So at that time, these 9 points are very important. So you have to draw the diagram. You have to find out angle wise, segment wise and tangent segment wise. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 set of 3 points, total 9 points. These are the cream part of the circle. Cream part of the circle. Very, very, very important. And previously, 2 theorems I have mentioned that is very, very, very important. And that are 2 tangent segments drawn from outside the point are equal. That is by hypotenuse side test only, no other test. As a theorem, they will ask to prove that 2 tangent segments are equal to each other. Second, cyclic. Of this chapter, these 2 theorems are very, very, very important. You have to buy it. Cyclic means what? A quadrilateral whose all 4 vertices are on a circle. That is known as cyclic. And when quadrilaterals are cyclic of any shape, but 4 points are on a circle, it is cyclic. For the cyclic, there is one property that opposite total 180 always. If it is 70, this is 110. If it is 120, then it is 60. So total 180, total 180. This theorem and this theorem we have done. I have explained. In full chapter, this 9 topic and these 2 theorem, you have to buy it. These are the main parts. If you will learn this, the concept will be clear in that much point. You can attempt any questions of circle in SSC board. So 3.4 we have completed. This full week we will study circle only, and every Saturday, Sunday there will be one extra lecture. Syllabus oriented lecture Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday problem solving, your doubt solving. Every Saturday, Sunday. So on that we will interact. You will tell me the question that I will solve. I will try to make it more clear. If you are not getting, I will suggest some different method how to remember. But try your best of best and do every day at least minimum to minimum 1 hour practice. If you will write only, if you will do the drill work and practice work, then only you will get good marks. Then only your confidence will increase. Otherwise, when you will turn the page, you will, yes, this I know, this I know, this I know. But when you will start writing, lots of mistakes will be done. So writing practice in math is must. Without that, even today I am also doing lots of practice for finding new method, new patterns, new type of the calculation. So, practice, everyday practice, you have to make a habit of this. Now up to 3.4 we have completed. Now 3.5 student study.
Sir, 5 minutes left.
Voice and screen are clear, no? Acha?
Yes, sir.
PQ it is given 12. PR is given 8. RS question and PS question. So as per the formula, from the intersection PR, PS is equal to PQ. PQ means PQ square. So 8 into PS and this is 12 square. Don't make a 12 square. We want this PS is equal to 12 into 12 divided by 8. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 8, 4 3 is 12. 2 half 6, 6 3 is 18. But what is PS? PS is midpoint is not internal point is R. So PR plus RS. So this we know. This is 18. PR we know, that is 8. RS we don't know. So RS is equal to 18 minus 8 is equal to 10 centimeters. One more question that we can cover. D MN RS. This is given 4, this is given 8, this is given 15, dn is question. Now here again common point for all, from common point two segment on one line, dm dn, df dr, dm dn question, ds. 4 2s are 15, half is 7.5, correct. Now same they have given in same figure, different numbers. RS total 18, MD 9, 9, DN 8. Suppose this is X and total is 18, so this is 18 minus X. So X 18 minus X, 9 into 8. You can write dm into dn is equal to dr into ds. So this is 18x minus x square 72. So x square plus minus 18 plus 72 is equal to 0. Twelve exam. 12 6 72. Common of common. Correct. Correct. So x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. So this is 18 now. Any one part is 6. So this part is 12 because total is 18. Or if this is 6, so this is 12. So like that, you try your best. Today's homework is learn this 9 topic, 9 diagram, 9 formula and 2 theorem. Cyclic quadratic, 2 tangent segment drawn from outside the circle are congruent to each other. Test only you have to write hypotenuse side test. If you will write wrong test, full theorem will be 0. And why that reason I have cleared. So try your best, do lots of practice, and every Saturday Sunday you prepared with your doubts. In other day also you can send me the WhatsApp. I will send you solution. And try to contact your friend to join this in online class. Recording also I have started, so recording also I am sending on Google and this. And I want as early as possible separate division of A, B, C. So because now madam is demanding everyday attendance. So for that some rules, some criteria I have to discuss with my team how we can handle the attendance of separate ABC. And those who have not given my 6th test of this previous week, you complete your 6th test. That is counted in internal marks and only 100, on an average 100 students have given. Means 50% student only given. You are taking very lightly, I will cut the mark. See how many times I have given the reminder. Today also I will give all 6 link. You have to attend that test. That is algebra chapter number 1, 2, 3 and geometry chapter number 1, 2, 3. Like that 6. Those who have not given and those who have any small problem, that all by students I got the instruction, and according to that I have recorrected in the Google form, and now it is clear cut. Whatever the problem you have shown, that I have cleared. So again you can open and try to get your score, latest score. Okay. So those students who have not given, just pass the message that give the exam, and those who are not attending, at least you see in Google Classroom, at least you see in WhatsApp. That is why I have closed the group for remaining message, because only the cream message will come, and only you can find out the videos, tests and all that. Otherwise there are so many messages from that like a garbage, that from how to pick up require message. So okay, tomorrow same time, and after this only that managing committee will meet. Okay, thank you. How many minutes remain, Priya?
Sir, it's almost done.
Okay, so test you complete anyhow. Those who have not given, no, 6 tests you will get in our WhatsApp group also, 6 tests you will get in Google Class also. And if you are not having that, you send me the message. I will send all 6 links. Today also I am going to repeat that. So those who have not attend. From today only, ma'am says that online attendance is compulsory. Lots of changes will come, but students are not aware. Teachers are trying their best of best. Teachers are working hard, but students still not aware. And even I am sending the message that make separate. You don't depend on this common group. Go in your respective division, and you have to remember your old 9th standard division. Whatever in the card it is written, no, as per the last year division, you just go for ABC. And from girls, they have divided some small group into division A and division B. So not major changes are there. So keep in contact with your all subject teachers. Try to sort out, because almost 50% of time reduced, and your exam will be definitely in the first week of March. It will not be postponed anyhow, because otherwise the next year also will be disturbed. So it is confirmed that it will be in March only. Third or fourth. The timetables are spread by WhatsApp, but that is fake. Whatever the timetable will come, that I will send it. Trust on my timetable only, because I am connected with SSC board regularly. So 2-3 times I got the timetable, and I have asked Gavdesh sir, he is chief in SSC board of Past.